Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today, I want to ask few questions with both of you. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
The first question is, who was the first prophet in Islam? The options are A. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. B. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. C. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. D. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam.
Hazrat Adam alayhi salam.
Yes, the answer is right. The Quran mentions Prophet Adam as the first human and prophet in various verses such as Surah Al-Baqarah. The second question is, which city is known as the birthplace of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The options are A. Jerusalem, B. Makkah, C. Medina, D. Cairo.
Makkah.
Yes, the answer is correct. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah in 570 Common Era. This information is well documented in Islamic history and biographies of the Prophet. The third question is, in which battle did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam first participate as a leader? The options are A. Battle of Uhud, B. Battle of Badr, C. Battle of Khandaq, D. Battle of Hunain.
Battle of Badr.
Yes, the answer is correct. The Battle of Badr took place in 624 Common Era and is described in detail in historical text and the Quran, Surah Al-Anfal. The fourth question is, how many pillars of Islam are there? The options are A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 10.
5.
Yes, the answer is correct. The 5 pillars of Islam are Shahada, faith, Salah, prayer, Zakat, charity, Psalm, fasting, and Hajj, pilgrimage. These are mentioned in various hadiths and the Quran. The fifth question is, what is the holy book of Islam? The options are A. Torah, B. Bible, C. Vedas, D. Quran.
Quran.
Yes, the answer is correct. The Quran is the central religious text of Islam, believed to be a revelation from God. This is a fundamental belief in Islam. The sixth question is, how many times a day do Muslims pray? The options are A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6.
5.
Yes, the answer is correct. Muslims perform Salah prayer 5 times a day as prescribed in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah and Hadith. The seventh question is, during which month do Muslims fast from dawn to sunset? The options are A. Muharram, B. Ramazan, C. Sawal, D. Zulhijjah.
Ramadan.
Yes, the answer is correct. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection and community. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. The 8th question is, what is the festival that marks the end of Ramadan? The options are A. Eid al-Adha, B. Eid al-Fitr, C. Hajj, D. Malik.
Eid al-Fitr.
Yes, the answer is correct. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of Ramadan. It is mentioned in various hadiths and is a significant Islamic festival. The 9th question is, what do Muslims celebrate during Eid al-Adha? The options are A. The end of Hajj, B. The birth of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, C. The sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, D. The start of the Islamic New Year.
The sacrifice of Ibrahim alayhi salam.
Yes, the answer is correct. Eid al-Adha commemorates the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God, which is mentioned in the Quran, Surah As-Saffat. The 10th question is, who built the Kaaba in Makkah according to Islamic tradition? The options are A. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, B. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, C. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam, D. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam.
Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam.
Yes, the answer is correct. The Quran mentions the building of the Kaaba by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam. Surah Al-Baqarah. The 11th question is, which prophet is known for interpreting dreams in prison and later becoming a ruler in Egypt? The options are A. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, B. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, C. Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam and D. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam.
Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam.
Yes, the answer is correct. The story of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam is detailed in the Quran, Surah Yusuf. The 12th question is, who was swallowed by a big fish but survived by praying to Allah? The options are Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, B. Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam, C. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and D. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam.
Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam.
Yes, the answer is correct. The story of Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam is mentioned in the Quran, Surah As-Saffat and Surah Al-Anbiya. The 13th question is, what is the declaration of faith in Islam called? The options are A. Salah, B. Zakat, C. Shahada and D. Sawm.
Shahada.
Yes, the answer is correct. Shahada is the Islamic declaration of faith, stating there is no God but Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a messenger of Allah. This is the first pillar of Islam. The 14th question is, what percentage of their savings are Muslims required to give to charity? The options are A. 1%, B. 2.5%, C. 5% and D. 10%.
2.5%.
Yes, the answer is correct. Muslims are required to give 2.5% of their savings to charity, known as zakat, as prescribed in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. The 15th question is, during which month do Muslims perform the Hajj pilgrimage? The options are A. Ramadan, B. Muharram, C. Zulhijjah, D. Shawwal.
Zulhijjah.
Yes, the answer is correct. Hajj is performed during the Islamic month of Zulhijjah. This is detailed in the Quran, Surah Al-Hajj and Hadith. Today, this session is completed here only. Allah Hafiz.